Learn with Cappy.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn how to send response from the Google Form to the Telegram. So right now I already created a Google Form with this information that I need to collect from the customer or from the register. So to submit, then it will be link or sell your data in the new spreadsheet. It will sell like that. It's not wrong, it's totally correct because we want to sell the data that way. But what if you want to know immediately respond when someone submit it, so you know exactly how many is it. Step one, step one is create our Google form already. And then we go into the more right here. We go into the app script. In the app script, it allow you to write JavaScript code. So coding, you don't need to worry about that because I already have this one. So you just create and copy this one. Then don't worry about it. I will give you in the description. Check it out. So right now we just pass it right there, and we're going to create some bot and create some chat ID. So to create that, we go into the Telegram. Right now you need to go to this one, the Godfather. The bot father. I already create few bot in here. You can see it, but don't worry, I will create a new one to solve process. So right now you need to slide slash and then click new bot. In the new bot, we're gonna call it to Google Form alert. Submit it right here. Now we need to make a username for our bot. So right now I go to this one and then Claude dot bot. This username already exists, so I'm gonna 123/bot. Okay, now it's already successful already. So just we click, we need to fill now and then click start. To click start, you need to remember this one, but you don't need to remember because it's stored already in the bot folder. So right now you just go to create a group and don't forget to subscribe. So right now you just copy this one here, copy this the username of our bot and go to our group. We're going to add to it. Great. After you add it, you need to promote it to the admin, because if you not promote it to the admin, it will not allow permission to let bot write in our group. So right now we just give the full permission until you can see this one. So to help you one more, we already create this one. So we just go to take this one, the token of our bot right here. Use this token to access the HTTP API. So right now you just click on there, and then you're going to pass in the double quote right here, and then save it. And then another one, we're going to collect our chat ID. Our chat ID is the ID that unique for our chat or our group. So to have that, we're going to add another one, is Get ID bot. Get ID bot is allow you to add permission, to get a chat ID or anything that's in it, easy for you to find it for yourself. So right here, just select hi, and then it just send automatically to you. This is our group ID that we need. So we just click it to copy, and then we pass it in your chat ID, and we save it. After you save it, you need to run it. To the way we run it, we just want to review permission right here, because if you don't review authorization required right here, it will not send anything to our Telegram. So how, and then click advanced, and then go to unsave right here, and then click continue. There we go to another step, is trigger. In the trigger, we're going to click trigger, and we're going to create add trigger. After add trigger, this one, make sure you on submit, and then this one you on form submit it. And click and save. Click continue. So we're gonna learn with Cappy testing, and then going to submit. Okay, so congratulations, now you've done it.
Learn with Cappy.